Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect these Motorola buds to your MacBook. So to do this you have to first of all twist that case to get access and remove them from this charging case. Next you have to grab them just like that, and then we have to click and hold this Motorola buttons and take a look for this indicator that it's located right here on the right side. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's right here, and when this indicator is blinking blue and red, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So we have to put them close to the MacBook. We have to go to the settings, open the Bluetooth settings, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. And now we have to just wait until they pop on the list. Okay, and as you can see, they are already here, so click connect. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected with the both earbuds. At the end, you can also go to the sound settings and take a look for the output and the input device, and be sure that it's switched to the microphone of our earbuds. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it, and remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.